So my first tip, it may be pretty obvious because I'm just sitting here chilling, but create a comfortable environment. You know, when you take portraits, you're really tapping into the essence of someone. You're spending a lot of time with them. You're asking them to do things. They're in front of your camera. They are vulnerable. You know, you want to find a way to make them as comfortable as possible, because I feel like if you make them as comfortable as possible, you can turn out some good results. You know, like if you got the camera up close to their face like this, it might be a little uncomfortable. Having people feel comfortable on set is the most important thing to me. Like if that's not there, to be honest, like we have nothing. So how do you do that? You connect with the person that you're shooting with, you be personable, ask questions about them, be intrigued, be enthusiastic about what you're doing on the day. You have to exude confidence in order to bring that out of someone in front of your camera. It's so important as the photographer that you set the tone for what the day is going to be like on set, whether you're taking like commercial photography or fashion, really doing it on like a high level freelance, it's a client gig, or you're just hanging out with your friends. I feel like making people comfortable in front of your camera is the #1 important thing that you need to do, because if it's not there, it's going to show through the photos. And to be honest, that is the most important thing. Connecting with the people that you're shooting with, understanding that they're more than just a model or someone in front of your camera. They're real people that have real stories, no matter what essence you're shooting them in, whether it's portraits or fashion, like for a brand. Try not to let that stand in the way of you really connecting with them. Your camera should never be a barrier between you and the other person. The camera should basically almost not even exist. Like you and that person in that space, to be honest, that's all that matters in the point in time. And that's all that's gonna matter in order for you to turn out the photos that you need. So create a comfortable environment. Think about all the times that comfortable environments have been created for you and you've excelled. So yeah, take that into consideration. That's my #1 tip.
You have to tell me what you're gonna take.
Ready? 1, 2.
No, I'm not.
1, 2, and 3. Hey, you started it, man.
No, I didn't. I'm just doing what I need to do, and you think it's funny.
Second tip is finding the in-between moments when shooting portraits. Me and Kirsten just have been chilling really. Every time I go to shoot, it's really just like a hangout. Find our way to the shots. She's been just finding her way into different poses, just kind of like being her and everything. And whenever I shoot portraits, always like look for that. With everyone that you shoot, that's how you find out like who everyone is. That's their part of themselves that you want to bring through the photos and bring through the camera. Big thing to look out for when you allow for that to happen. Every shoot you do is always so specific to the individual rather than you directing like everything. Like it can kind of go into a little bit of that, but even when you have direction, you don't want that to fully just take over and not give agency to the people in front of your camera. So finding in between moments, huge. Big thing to look out for whenever you're shooting. Okay, cool. This will be a full body shot. You can turn it aside like how you were, it's good. We'll start like that first. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Good. 3. Good.
Surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover.
We'll bring both the, yeah, just like that. That's really good. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Good. Third tip, verbal reinforcement. Self-explanatory, just kidding. Let me explain it to you. Whenever somebody's getting into their posing, getting into their movements, that verbal confirmation is gonna assure them that what they're doing is right. Because sometimes it may feel a little bit awkward. It can kind of feel weird, but in the photo, look good, so.
Yeah, I agree.
She agrees. Okay, so like our light has completely kind of gone behind the building for the most part. So a lot of the shadow has moved from here on up. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, cool.
I'm Kirsten.
That's it.
That's all I got.
That's all she's got. Maybe on this next one, we can probably like use chairs.
I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you call.
Okay, oh wait, lean back and then bring one leg up, yeah. Can you,
What do you mean bring one leg up?
like, could you bring one foot up, like having your foot here?
Oh, yeah.
Like that, yeah. See? Tip number 4, direction. Check it out. Don't be afraid to provide that direction. It's important for you as the photographer to direct. Don't be afraid to do it. Go off what they're doing. Find your way into the zone. She's in the zone. Yeah, I lean your knee out just a bit there. Yeah, that's it. That's it right there. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna take a few more kind of from the same angle. I'm just gonna try to change up the variation a bit. Good, yeah, love that. 1, 2, and 3. Good, I'm gonna come up a bit closer. Maybe bring just like kind of, yeah, maybe, let's see. Yeah, like that is good. That's really good. 1, 2, and 3, cool.